Hi everyone, this is Stacy and welcome to my channel. Please do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. For today's video, I will be sharing with you my succulents here in the garage area, but not all, some only. So I have shared in the last 2 days the succulents in the veranda area where they are exposed to rain or shine, and they were exposed to the rain for 2 consecutive nights. But here in the garage area, it is a covered area where they only get indirect sunlight, and most of the succulents here are newly potted, which I bought last month of May, and most of them are variegated, and most of them is not yet stable. When I say it's not yet stable, it doesn't have that much root. They are just starting to grow their root because they are only potted last month of May. So I think around mid of May already when I potted them. It's inside the garage with roof, so indirect sunlight. But in spite of with roof and indirect sunlight, when the rain comes with the strong wind, they are still getting wet with the rain showers. So most of them are okay, but some also got mushy because of the rain that was blown by the wind, especially the variegated one. They are so delicate. Some have dried leaves, some are not wet, some are wet. So it depends on the wind that carries along with it the rain showers. But most of these succulents after June, starting month of July, I will be placing them also in the veranda area so they can get full sunlight from morning to afternoon and also rain showers, because I really appreciate my succulent when they are in veranda area. The true colors, the true stress colors really come out. They are more healthier there when I place them in the veranda area rather than in the garage area, because most of the succulents that I placed here in the garage area with cover roof, they tend to become leggy and they don't have the stress color too. So mostly of the succulents that I let stay here in my garage area are the variegated one, the Haworthia, some cactus, some aloes. But most of the succulent, I really want them to expose in a rain or shine area. So only the variegated one stays here, and those that are newly potted, which is trying to grow roots, so I give them enough time, at least a month, before I expose them to a rain or shine area. So enjoy watching the rest of my video. So that's all for today's video, guys. I hope you like my sharing for today. Thank you for watching. Please do not forget to subscribe and share my video to your family, friends, and relatives. Bye for now. See you on my next video. Bye. God bless us all. Bye.